So today we're going to take quick notes about equivalent fractions and reducing fractions. So equivalent fractions are fractions with the same value. Go ahead and draw two circles. One of your circles, I want you to draw a line down to your middle point, then come out in a Y. Your other circle, I want you to do the same thing. And then I want each of those to be divided in half. Over here, shade one of your pie sections. Danny, if I were to write this circle as a fraction, what would I write? How many parts are shaded? 1 part out of 3 total parts, right? Over here, go ahead and shade 2 of your smaller parts. So here I have 2 parts shaded out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts whole. It's the same piece of the pie though, right? So 1/3 is equivalent to 2/6. Could I write a fraction that 3/4 was equivalent to? So if I times 3 by 2, I get 6. 4 times 2 is 8. 3/4 and 6/8 is the same. What if I took 3 and times it by 3? I would get 9. 4 times 3 is 12. Those are all equivalent fractions.
3/4.
3/4, 6/8, and 9/12, all the same. They all reduce to 3/4, right? Okay. Most of you know this. We're just going to write a reminder. We reduce fractions by dividing both the numerator and the denominator by the same number. To reduce all the way, we use our GCF, or our greatest common factor, to divide by. So looking at this problem up here, what is the GCF for 9 and 12? If I want to reduce 9/12, what would I divide it by?
3/4.
I'm dividing. I want to reduce this fraction.
3/4.
Yeah, so it's going to reduce to 3/4. So what you did is you said 9 divided by 3 over 12 divided by 3. Too far? All right, sorry about that. Equals 3 over 4. can I get a check on this? Do you feel pretty confident reducing fractions? Give me a thumbs up. If you think you need some more practice, give me a thumbs to the side. Thumbs down if today I'm speaking.
Wait, we're doing just reducing?
Reducing fractions, part 1.
That's all in my head already.
Good. I'm glad. I like to hear that. So you would be a firm thumbs up,
Yeah.
right? Okay. You're also going to see problems that say this. You're going to say, write 2/3 with a denominator of 18. So I've got 2/3, and I want it to have 18 on the bottom. So I have to ask myself, 3 times what number is 18? Cole, can you help me out with that one? 3 times what number is 18? It's not 3 times 3, that's 9. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 5 is 15. What's 3 times 6?
18.
Awesome. So we get 18 here. That means my numerator I have to times by the same number. And so my equivalent fraction would be 12/18. How do you feel about fractions? Oh, pretty good? All of this is review? Kind of, sort of? Okay.